Hey, don't know why I put the mic all the way over there. I wonder if it works any better over there. Yeah. Just thinking about the back here. Of course, the seat is going to be here, but I don't really need an engine bay, of course, because the car's not real. And it's not a Beetle. Engine's in the front. You absolute tool. Right, that looks like wheel arches there, doesn't it? So there'll have to be some sort of section there for the parcel shelf sort of idea, isn't it? Why don't you think the engine's in the back? Right, is that a parcel shelf? Right, so if we bring the window rubber in, do the same again, and then bring it down, and then I suppose we could create some sort of space there and block it off. Right, so do the same as the rest, I guess. Let's screw it down. Come on, words. Down in a little bit maybe, and down the back again. Right, so let's do the same as we did before. That one selected. That one. Medium. Shift S. Guess I do selected. Go to 3D cursor. Right. Did I just forget what I was doing? Oh yes, right, so extrude Y just a little bit. Then we do a scale. See how it's scaled all the way that way. Oh, look at it, there's a dog. I'm a dog. Woof, woof, I'm a dog. Right. Must be dog impression. Alright, so again, just slide them right along. Actually, could get away with. Go back to active. Scale X, is that gonna ruin it? I think it does, doesn't it? I think what it's doing is, since there's a curve, it's just break it. Just don't do it. Scale X, that might be all that's alright. Scale 0. Same with this. Go. I wasn't just doing random dog impressions, by the way, it was a dog barking outside. So seeing itself in a reflection or that one that passed on something. It's just got to voice its opinion that it's a dog. What are you going on about? Right. So that's the window rubber. What on earth is going on with that bit there? Check the rear window again. That looks really weird. Oh, it's chrome piece. That is a really rubbish looking chrome piece. How did I let that get away? GG. GG. Make sure they slid the right direction also. Right, so that and that is deviate the chrome piece, isn't it? In the back forward. And should we do it on the front one? Extrude that middle out. Yes, we did. Yes, I did. Extrude Y. Move that back a little bit. And does the front one have any? No, it doesn't. Right, so if we remove that crease from that, over here we shall drop a chrome on it. In fact, we Control plus, put a chrome on that also. I don't think that's big enough, is it? Wrong one. Alright, GG. Slide that up there. Do the same with this one, but hopefully it doesn't muck it up, mess it up. GG in that one, just to soften that curve for it. Right, and of course put the 3 on. Nice. Clearer. Seal the back of this. Hope the volume's okay this time. Keep forgetting talking to myself here that if it goes quiet, 2 seconds, get rid of that first. It's 3. How was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm just talking to myself. Kind of realise I'm whispering. I know it's not a tutorial, as I keep saying, but oops. Yeah, if it was a tutorial, I would have to keep checking whether the port's going to work before I actually make a video on this. This is just going to show all the mistakes and everything. But hopefully, no mistakes. Right, how's about? Back on 3D cursor. Do it. Extrude. Scale without Z. What do you think? Where the hell is that going? Scale with Z then. There we go. But your Z's jumped miles away. Yep, it has, as usual. Look, right the way outside. Actually, what we could do is stick that back on, because then that will lock them into place. And just slide that back that way, and that will also align them within reason. Or not. Make sure that's on active, otherwise your scale X0 there, it'll jump all the way there. Well, all the way left. Ooh, that slide right a bit. Okay. Also something rude as well, didn't they? Pardon me. Oh, is that the answer? Food? No, past. Damn it. Lunch. Right, so with that, this is the bit that needs to go back just that little bit to give it the idea of the rubber is bigger than the metal. So now, turn off mirror again. Check the time. That's okay. So I reckon let's have a quick glance at that image again. I have a feeling it'll follow the outside wall till it gets down to, I'm going to say the engine bay again, man. Get out of my head. Engine bay. Parcel shelf. My word. Right, so that is going to be online with the windows. So it's going to extrude Z. Scale Z0. There we go. That, like I say, follow the thickness. Don't think that. Worried that that is too close to that. That may give a weak point. Bring it back a little bit again. Come on. Right. Does it give that sort of idea though? What we could do is make it with a crease on there. Maybe. Yeah, there it is. So then this will. Where are the rear seats located? They're right against that back wall. Oh, there's a canny shot. Right, so seats just sitting proud of the back of the window there, so give it a thickness and then right. Oh, but are the seats curved in the middle? Seats curved in the middle? Almost. No. Bump in the middle. It's a better shot actually, isn't it? It's just not very high quality. Right. So can I get away with that? Add an edge through the exit, add an edge through there. Oh, this is going to add a triangle, isn't it? Oop, gonna have to. Do it. This. Don't go all the way around. Don't be that guy. Oh, bro, is that one too close to the top? Do I extrude and drop it and then just pull it up to the. Strong baby. So now that will go FF. One to there. extrude to there, scale Y, bit more, there. Right, so now 2 and 2. Alt merge 1, merge distance. Yeah, F. Go. Look at that, that's too close to the surface. Drop it down a bit. Make sure there's a thickness there for the print. Because this has still got to be scaled down. I should have scaled it. At the point, I should scale it down before I start giving it any thickness, really. Then you've got your minimum thickness to go by. Ooh. So, that parcel shelf to put in, which kind of covers the boot area, not the engine. We've learned anything today. Again, Mini does not have engine in the rear. That is a Beetle or a Porsche, which is the same thing. Anyway, that in mind, let's do Control S. Saved, and I'll catch you in the next one.